Here I've got the all-new X5 charger, and this is our sample, this is our prototype unit that I wanted to get Hara to show me how to use it, some of the features and what's so cool about it. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and I am joined by none other than Atsushi Hara. Welcome in, Hara. Welcome to Australia. Welcome to Hearns Hobbies. Now, you are doing a lot of work with Team Cayote, right?
Yeah, like an ambassador.
We're doing ambassador, but you're also doing testing and development and that sort of stuff, right? So, here I've got the all-new X5 charger. Not, as at the time of recording, not currently available for sale in Australia, but will be very soon. And this is our sample, this is our prototype unit that I wanted to get Hara to show me how to use it, some of the features and what's so cool about it. So Hara, without further ado, tell me about this beautiful new X5 charger.
We'll start with the box.
The box.
We have a really fancy
I know,
design
even their
box.
lipos, right?
Yeah.
The Team Cayote are just, they're oozing quality,
yeah.
right? They make everything look really nice, really good.
Yeah, it looks
really
cool.
Good box. Everybody's going to keep this box, right?
You can open.
It's even got foam inside the box.
Inside the box also.
Huh? And a little design feature, it's even got a port in the side of the box for updating in the factory.
Yeah.
If they do a new firmware update, they can just plug it in, and straight away update it. All right, so what have we got in here? Show me what's in here.
So, this is...
I love the green.
Yep.
You couldn't get them to make purple?
No, I think it's... I love the Cayote green now.
I absolutely love it, right? Maybe because I'm a motor racing fan or Mercedes fan, but I absolutely love the silver and the Cayote green.
Yeah.
So that's really cool. So we've got these really cool charge wires that come with it. And then we've got these XT90 style connectors that go into the charger. And these are set up for 2S competition leads. 5mm plugs with your balance lead, all really nice heat shrink and everything.
Yep, and 10 gauge wire. It's
massive
one.
Isn't it?
Because they need it.
They need it, right?
Yeah,
well, you want to charge at 55 amps?
Yep, 55
here you go.
amps, yeah.
We've got a cable here for firmware update.
Yep.
USB-C to USB-A. We've got a little instruction booklet, which we don't need today because I've got you. So you're going to tell me how to use the charger.
Sure.
Then we've got our 240 volt power lead, which is really cool. I'm going to plug that in and you can keep having a look at the charger, mate. All right, I've got this one plugged in, up on the table. And like you said, the packaging's awesome, isn't it? All foam. Fantastic. What have we got here? This is the box. Now, a couple of features that I like to put is that it does have AC input and also has DC input. So you can run it off of a 12 or 18 volt power supply, right? USB-C, that would be for the firmware updating, I'm assuming. We've got really nice graphics and branding. We've got a little XT60 port on the side here. And that is really handy for running a soldering iron. I think it's 100 watts, so about 10 amps thereabouts output. Really good for tire warmers, tire sander. Your soldering iron even can run off of that port, all while charging off the front. So it's a separate channel completely, so you don't have to turn off channel A to run that, do you?
Right.
It can run all the same. Fantastic. Well, let's plug it in, fire it up, and you can tell me a little bit about it. So what am I looking at here, mate?
Its display also very nice, I think.
It's very nice, isn't it?
Very clean.
It's very clean. I primarily, when they sent me a prototype, I went, what? Really? Like I was thinking of 8 scale off-road, right? EP8 when we're outside and dusty, but it actually cleans really nice. It's a super high gloss. And if it gets dusty, you just dust it off. Now, not being touchscreen is good, which means you're not going to be getting your fingers and dirty hands all over the screen, which is really nice. And we've got 4 buttons to operate it all. Let's plug a battery into it and see what this thing can do. So I did mention that it can charge up to 55 amps, which I think is madness, and I really don't like if racing goes that way. You know, I don't know that it's for the best, but anyway, what would I know? So we've got our balance cord plugged in there, starting with the negative one, and we've got this one plugged in as well. You can plug that one in for us. I'll get out one of our Team Cayote batteries. I love that the batteries come with not only a sticker sheet and the balance plug thing, right?
Yeah.
That way your battery bar doesn't rub on the top of the battery, which is a really cool little feature. But they also come with low profile battery plugs,
Yeah.
which is really cool, because sometimes when you're using a low profile pack, you actually need really specific battery
Yes.
plugs. Otherwise you literally come through the bottom.
Yeah.
It'll be either sticking out.
Yeah, sticking out, yeah.
It'll be either sticking out, or on some batteries where it's got the holes on it can come through and short out on the chassis. So Team Cayote always thinking about these things. Let's plug that one in for us, mate, and see what we can do. Beautiful.
Yep.
So straight away it's showing the voltage, right?
So even like they have the black minus, you know, the shrink.
The negative, yep.
That make sure it doesn't make mistake.
No. And it looks way prettier than if they put red one on, right? The red one would look ridiculous on there.
For this, yeah.
Yeah. But even if you plug it backwards, it doesn't
okay.
blow the charger
No,
up.
no.
It just tells you to stop being silly.
Right.
And plug it in the right way.
Protection. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so tell me some of the things on the charger that we can do.
So now I connect with channel B. So
Yep.
this is change for the channel. And then normally the charge 2S. Normally
Yep.
I raise.
Yeah, 2S or 4S for
yeah.
EP8.
So, so all the functions, like just everything they have with discharge and straight, the balance. So normally I do the balance charge.
Yeah, always a balanced charge.
Balance charge, or I think it's no need to do all the time balance charge, just normal regular charge.
And you can set the target voltage as well.
Yeah.
It can
The
charge.
target voltage just sometime it depends on for race tech they have some battery voltage check before the start race. Some tester is different number, and some tester higher, there's some tester lower. So if too high, you can put like a bit lower, down to 4.19 or sometimes 8. And like 8 scale e-buggy, it's actually too much power.
Yeah.
So we do just 4.15 or sometimes 4.1.
Yeah,
10 scale buggy
it gives
even
you
more.
it gives you a more level voltage, doesn't it?
More soft in.
More softer, and
Yes.
it's more consistent over the
Yeah.
run, instead of the first 3 laps in an EP8 being
Right.
crazy
Yeah.
and then settling down. You can have it settle down
Yeah.
straight away. And I know that's a technique even in 1/10 on-road modified.
Yeah.
Some of the guys, if the track's not 100%,
Right.
instead of reprogramming all their speed controller, everything, they'll just soften the battery a little bit by, like you said, charging maybe 4.1, 4.15.
So this is really useful for target bolt changed.
Yep.
And cell, of course, till 6S.
Yep.
Normally-
so go from 1 to 6S.
6S if
Yep.
you want,
Yep.
but 6S only for some of bashing.
Some are
cars,
bashing, maybe
yeah.
planes, right?
Yeah, plane also, yeah.
Planes are using 6S.
So that's why these chargers are so big and super high current you can charge, because of also include with the airplane things.
Yeah.
People can use for airplanes. So
We've got 2S.
yes, and then amperes you can go until 40 now.
Go to 40.
You need you can do 55.
Yep.
Also you need to use
External.
external, yeah.
Yep.
And plus also you need a power supply.
Yep.
Use a DC
If
put.
you use DC, you can use 55 amps.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you charge at 40 amps, which is still ridiculous.
Yes, 40 is already ridiculous.
When you're charging a little 5,000 milliamp battery,
Yeah,
will charge in about 3 minutes.
Yeah, I think
but
so.
that said, it's going to reach target voltage very soon.
Yeah.
And even though if you put 40 amps, which we won't do today,
Right.
it's only going to be for a very short time, right? Because the voltage is going to be right up,
Right.
and the amperage will already start coming down.
So I always recommend less than 10 amperes, maybe maximum 10 ampere for me, if I need a
In a real rush.
little rush. Yes. So normally I run even 1C charge, so mean 5,000 milliamperes, only
Yeah.
5 amperes should be okay.
Yeah.
And you can save a lot of
battery life, right?
Battery life, yes. You
Your
can
your batteries will last in good condition for like 2-3 years,
Yeah.
right? If you're really careful with them, 1C charging.
Yeah, 1C I think I recommend to people 1C
Yeah.
normally. But for race, normally I run a 6 amperes.
Yep,
It's more than enough for any batteries.
yep,
I mostly run like 5,000 for the capacity of the batteries.
Yep.
Even for the long stick long batteries, I run
In the TC?
53. Yeah, 53. The super
in modified.
modified 53 for short track, small track, and the big track I run 6.8 sometimes,
Yeah,
6.3.
6.8 or 6.3.
But 6.3 I think is most popular
Yep.
because still light, good capacity,
Yeah,
good balance.
and you're not really like asking a lot of the
Right.
battery, right? When you're running the 5.3, I suppose you have to be like really careful, warm up and cool down. You don't
Right.
want to push the battery too hard,
no,
right?
no.
And that's why I was surprised that the Worlds recently, that the Team Coyote guys, I wasn't there for two-wheel drive, but four-wheel drive guys, the preferred battery was a 3900.
Right.
We never run that in Australia. No, never. But yeah, they're using that obviously to keep the center of gravity really, really low.
Yep.
And I think they were only taking like 1200, right? Or 1400. They weren't taking much out of it at all.
No.
So 3900 was more than enough.
Right. And also really good for random jump because lighter.
Yeah,
it's
lighter.
heavy, like more hard bouncing.
Yeah.
The random jump. So I also ask why they use it.
Yeah.
Because it's also easy to random jump.
Yep.
So
Make it easy to land and
Yeah.
it keeps the car settled, right?
yeah.
And I think four-wheel drive is not close to minimum weight like two-wheel drive.
No, I don't think so.
You know, because the weight limits are different. But anyway, so we've got that. So you set 6 amps.
Yeah, I think it's. I recommend 6 amp. Always very stable.
And then we can go down to start task.
Push. Yeah, just a quick push.
Just a quick push.
And then you can see all of the balance with the balance board.
And this light here, it's different to my one. So it's blue, it's the teal color now.
Yeah.
Which is really nice. That shows charging. And then when we go to discharging, say, does it change color? Does it?
I didn't mention.
It used. So it can do charging, discharging, and storage, of course.
That's good questions.
And then when we go discharge,
So discharge also you can do
3.6.
6.6, 3.6.
so you have your
okay.
target voltage.
Yeah.
And the maximum discharge current without external, I think, is at 6 amps,
I think this is 6 amp, yes, for AC. 8 amp.
8 amps.
For AC.
which in real world is perfectly fine, right?
I think okay.
I know there's a big trend at the moment with no, it's green again. There you go. So it's telling you that it's working, right, and telling you the level that it needs to be. So that's really cool. So now it's discharging, and it's telling us the cell voltage on the screen
Yeah. And percentage of capacity inside now.
of the battery.
Yeah.
Really cool. And does it go down and show
Yeah, all small detail things.
small detail? So
Yeah.
it shows how much we've taken out, the cell voltage, AC.
Yep.
There we
All
go.
balance.
And I suppose when we're charging it, we'll also show the internal resistance, the IR,
Yeah, IR
as well.
also, yeah.
That's really cool.
Yep. But mostly the people, when I show this charger to other people,
Yep.
they aim more the design on the outside look designs more than detail inside. So they say, "Oh, this is cool. I want to buy." They don't ask before what is the, function.
What is the function and what is
Yeah.
the specs?
They say because it already looks
Well,
nice. So.
if you look nice in the pits, you go fast, right?
Yeah, that's true. Yes. Also feel good,
It feels really
Yeah.
good, and like you said, it is really quite heavy. I don't know
It's
the
heavy.
weight, which is really because it's got heaps of power
Yeah.
in it and heaps of capability. And I'm sure that Coyote will be working on a more travel option one for all the
Right.
international guys and stuff. There'll
Yeah.
probably be a more travel one.
Right.
But this one here is really sturdy, really good for taking to the racetrack, and really good for at home. I love it. I absolutely love it. Well, that is cool. Well, thank you very much, Hara, for taking a look with me. That is the all-new Team Coyote X5 charger, and we look forward to Hearns Hobbies bringing them to you right here in Australia. I'm Brett from Hearns, and that's Hara, and thanks for watching. See you guys.
Thank you.